Sure. Here's a YouTube video review script for the Porsche Panamera GTS 2025, presented in a natural scrambled flow without any headings or labels. So, you're looking at the 2025 Porsche Panamera GTS, and let me just say, this thing is absolutely stunning. First glance, it demands attention. That ultra-shiny, glossy white finish, it's not just paint, it's a statement. Sleek, elegant, and aggressive all at once. Porsche absolutely nailed the design. The front fascia is sharp and sculpted, with those signature matrix LED headlights and wide air intakes that scream performance. Around the back, you've got a sleek light bar stretching across, connecting the taillights, and a sporty diffuser with quad exhausts that let you know this isn't just for show. Inside, pure luxury meets tech. The seats wrap around you in premium leather, firm but comfortable, and everything is exactly where you'd expect it. The new digital cockpit is clean, intuitive, and packed with features. 3 screens, yes, 3, spread across the dash, including the passenger side display that gives them their own media and nav control. And the drive? Let's talk power. The GTS trim comes with a twin turbocharged V8 that pushes serious horsepower. Expect around 500 plus, giving you a 0-60 time in the low 3s. It's insane for a car that also pampers you with air suspension and the smoothest ride in its class. The handling is razor sharp thanks to Porsche's adaptive chassis system. Whether you're hitting corners or cruising through the city, the Panamera GTS stays planted, agile, and confident. Tech-wise, it's stacked. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Burmester sound system, adaptive cruise, lane keep, you name it, it's got it. Porsche even added improved voice control and ambient lighting that shifts tones as you drive. But what really stands out is how Porsche blends performance and luxury in one package. It's not just a fast car, it's a refined experience. One moment you're gliding through traffic like royalty, the next you're launching off the line with a growl that turns heads. Is it perfect? Almost. The price tag is up there, but if you're shopping in this league, it's worth every penny. And with its sleek design, high-tech interior, and true sports car DNA, the 2025 Panamera GTS proves once again that Porsche doesn't just build cars, they build driving machines. Let me know if you want this tailored to a specific tone, more casual, cinematic, or energetic for voiceover.